Okay, welcome back, student. In last session, we learned about the prefix and root word or word root. Also, we learn. See, there is also suffix. Suffix means the functional group in the molecule or shown the suffix. See, functional groups is there, number of functional groups it will be show, and we have to see the here suffix. See, primary suffix and secondary suffix. See, two types of suffix is there. See, primary suffix, this tells about the saturation of the compound. Saturation of the compound. Compound is a, we already learned, this is a three types: saturation and unsaturated. See, two types is there. Saturation has a carbon-carbon. It is a carbon-carbon single bond. We are calling the ane. See, we are calling ane. Next, unsaturated carbon-carbon double bond. See, double bond compound. It is a ene. Next, unsaturated carbon-carbon triple bond. We have to see the carbon-carbon triple bond. We are calling the ine. Propine, butane, butene, propene. See, this line is there. See, we have to write ane, in, ine. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Next, secondary suffix is there. See, these are a primary suffix and these are a secondary suffix. See here, secondary suffix, this tells about the functional group. Functional group with the particular, see, with the particular term. Particular term. See, we have to write the particular term also. See here, what say for hydrocarbons is there. See, we have to use the in. We have to use the only E. Okay. Next, we have to see the alcohol is there. We have to use the ol. O-L. Ol. For example, aldehyde is there. A-L. Aldehyde is there. A-L. Next, ketones is there. On. Ketone. See. Next, carboxylic acid is there. We have to write the oic acid. Is it clear now? Okay. Next, we have to see the once. See, suffix means the functional group in the molecule are shown as the suffix. Functional groups. Okay. Primary suffix is there. So it is a tells of the saturation, the compound. So it is a saturation single bond. See, we are calling the ane. Double bond, ene, triple bond, ine. Next, we have to see the secondary suffix. It tells about the functional group with particular term. Particular term. See, hydrocarbons is there. It is, we have to use the E. Next, alcohol, O-L, aldehyde, A-L, ketone, O-N-E, on. See, carboxylic acid, oic acid. See, this line we have to learn. If you learn the number of examples, it will be automatically understanding you. See, we have to see the numbers is there. Already learn numerical prefix in part 9. We already learned. See, secondary prefix. Next, primary prefix, word root, number. Numbers also given. See, numerical prefix, primary prefix, number, numerical prefix, and secondary suffix. Secondary suffix. See, we have to write this like in order wise. Order wise. See, what difference do you find among the 1, 2? What difference do you find 1, 2, 3 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? See, 1, 2, 3 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, what do you find it? See, 1, 2 are number and numerical designation. 1, 2 are, see this 1 and 2 are number or numerical designation to between for secondary suffix, secondary prefix, 3 which tells about the position. See, this is a 3 is a telling about the position. Position is there. And repetition of second grade functional groups. See, known as the substituent. See, respectively. See, we have to take the some examples now. Okay. Now, some examples we have to take. Okay. We have to take the some examples. Okay. Here if you take the examples, we can automatically understand. Okay. See for example butane. Butane we have to take. CH3, CH, CH and CH3. Okay. Next we have to give to, see here is a attached to the chlorine group. See here also chlorine group. See we have to give to the number. See कोसे कार्बन को functional group नजदीक आता है. See it is a near to the functional group. We have to go to that way. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. इधर से भी ले सकते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See we have to write the name now. We have to write the name. See it is a compound is there. See we have to write the names. Okay. First what said? Numerical. Numbers we have to. Numbers already given. Okay. See this like numbers we have to write. See 2, 3. See 2, 3. And what said? See we have to write the chloro first. See first we have to write the chloro. How many chloros is there? How many chlorines is there here? See di. See 1, 2 di. We have to write the dichloro. Dichloro. Next, see it is a chloro. Next what said? But plus N plus in. See but. See A E. Butane. See we are writing the this like. See this much, this like we have to write. Okay. See here number also we have to give. First number 1. See ये नंबर यहाँ पर लिखना है. ये नंबर का ये आ गया numbers. See what said second word? Die. Die means is a number 2. Numerical prefix. See we have to write the numerical prefix. Okay. Next it is a 3. Secondary suffix means we have to write the chloro. Chloro is a halogen. So it is a chloro is halogen. This means secondary prefix. Okay, secondary prefix. Next we have to see the but. But means it is a root word. Root word. See we have to write the 5. Next we have to see the N. N means it is a primary suffix. This like primary suffix. We already learned saturated hydrocarbons. N. A-N-E. Okay. Here is a. Okay. Here is a 8. 8 number. Next we have to see the E is there. E, what said E means? See this one hydrocarbons. See this one hydrocarbons. See this one is belongs to secondary suffix. Secondary suffix. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Next we have to take the another examples also. See another examples. Okay. Okay. Here another example. CH3 and CH double bond CH. Next we have to CH triple bond CH. Triple bond CH. Okay. Now we have to see here. Now we have to see here. We have to write the names. First we have to give to the naming. See, ये functional groups जो 3 bonds है उसको अपन क्या करना है? Numbering देना है first. Numbering नहीं भूलना है. See, we have to give to the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. क्लियर हो गया? ओके. इसमें क्या करना है? अब देखना है. हाउ मेनी कार्बन्स इज देयर? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 कार्बन को क्या बोलते हैं? पेंट. 5 कार्बन को क्या बोलते हैं? पेंट. पेंट. सी, ये पेंट का क्या है वर्ड? सी, रूट वर्ड है. रूट वर्ड है. सी, ये रूट वर्ड है. इसको 5 नंबर लिख देना है. ओके, इजी है ना? ओके. नेक्स्ट क्या करना है? सी, 3 इन. सी, थर्ड पोजीशन में क्या है? थर्ड पोजीशन में 3 इन है. मीन्स डबल बॉन्ड है ना, उसको इन बोलना है. डबल बॉन्ड इज देयर इन. नेक्स्ट, ओके, नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट पोजीशन में क्या है? 1 आयन. ओके, 1 आयन. ओके, 1. See, this like we have to write. We have to write. Okay, here see 3 number is there. This number, this. We have to write the separate. We have to write the separately. See, 6 number is there. See, what is 6 number? Number. Is game number? Okay. Next we have to see the in. Means is a 9 number is there. 9 number. Next we have to see the see, this is a 8 number. This is a 9 number. Next yn. In we said. See, this is also 8 number. And e is a 11 number. Okay. Is this clear? Now next we have to see the another examples also. See, we have to take the, if you learn the number of examples, it will be understand. Next we have to take the CH3, CH2, CH, CH2. C means butane. CH3, CH2, CH and CH2OH. CH2OH. Here also OH. We have to give to the numbers. Numbers किधर देना है? जे जो अपने फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स नजीक आता है वो कार्बन से स्टार्ट करना है. देखो, एक फर्स्ट कार्बन पर ही OH ग्रुप है. 1, 2, 3, 4. इसके बहुत सारे रूल्स है. ओके, इसको अपन नेम्स लिखना है. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट द नेम. क्या है ये? सी, इट इज टोटली 1, 2, 3, 4. ब्यूट. ब्यूट है. आफ्टर एन. See, is it clear? Next, 1, 2. See, 1, 2. कितने होल से? डाई होल. 1, 2 डाई होल. Okay. See, we have to write the numbering also. See, this one 5, this one 8, and numbers 1, 2 means is a 9 number. We are getting the number 9 number. See, die calling. Die means, see, we have to see the 10 number here. 10 numerical prefix. 10 number. And OL is there. Number is a again. See, number again is a 11. Secondary suffix 11. Okay. This like we have to write. Okay. This is about the our. It is a IUPAC nomenclature. See, we have to learn again number of examples in this lesson.